Dongguan Jiangxin Metal Products Company Limited owns a factory with 60,000 square meters and over 200 experienced workers. It professionally engages in the research, development, manufacturing, sale, and service of barbecue grills, pizza ovens, heating, as well as parts and accessories since 2009. This is our CNC bending machine for metal parts bending. Here are the stamping machines and hydraulic machines from 20 tons to 500 tons for different product items. Here is our special equipment, Amada. It is very valuable CNC machine to make precise and nice samples without mold. Look, our well-trained workers are making stamping and punching efficiently. As you know, there are so many metal parts in different shapes and with different sizes, holes. Stamping machines here always work on this process. Laser cutting is another of our advanced facilities. It helps us to make nice parts without tooling. In the past years, we committed ourselves to bringing our customers with the most innovative and premium products at the most reasonable prices. Our grills, pizza ovens, grill parts and accessories are successfully exported to countries all around the world. We also provide R&D, OEM, and ODM service as per your requirement, as well as customization options if you so desire. We have our own surface coating line of electrophoresis, painting, and powder coating to make the outdoor barbecue grills and parts and rest durable and colorful. Here is our assembly and packing line. We have 5 production lines to assemble and pack. 100% online inspection is required to make sure all goods are qualified before packing. Lastly, the finished products will be loaded in containers and shipped to different countries on time.
With full range of samples for barbecues, pizza ovens, parts and accessories in our showroom, you have plenty of choices here. We look forward to working with you for long-term cooperation. Thank you for checking out.
We Cooker Group, your reliable partner of barbecue grills in China.